How to hide your posts from someone on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to hide your posts from someone on Instagram. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do here is simply open up your Instagram first and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, head over to your profile section. Now just select the person that you want to hide your story or your post from. So if you just want to hide your post from someone, then you can limit the interaction with them so that they won't be able to see your future post on their feed. And their post will not be also recommended to you on your feed. For that, head over to the followers tab and select the account that you want to hide to. So let me just select this one. So what you're going to do is tap on the top right corner and then tap on restrict. So what it will do is the messages and comments will be hidden, and your each other's post won't be recommended to each other's feed. So this is one way to hide the post, but if you completely want to hide it from them, then you'll have to block their account. So tap on the account right here, and then from here, you are just going to go ahead and tap on block. And once you tap on block, they won't be able to message you or find your profile or content on Instagram, which means it will completely hide your posts, and they won't be notified that you have blocked them. You can unblock them anytime you want. So once you tap on block, they won't be able to see your posts or anything here. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.